If you think storytelling is unimportant, think again. Let's look at what the impeachment managers accomplished and what we can learn from them. I'm Carmen, boss lady of Network 9, and I'm obsessed with your success. Over the last few days, I watched a story unfold that curled my hair. There's been a lot of confusion about what happened, when, and why it happened, and how life threatening it really was. The managers took a massive amount of complex, confusing information and made it clear, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Here's how they did it. They used a simple visual of the Capitol building with moving dots of people, combined it with live video and graphic to tell the story of January 6th. The chaotic events from multiple locations were shown simultaneously, so we felt the immediacy and terror of being there. No one has put this together quite like this until now. They showed us where people were, when, what was said, and the actions that followed, all in perfect sequence. And the impact it's had has been huge. So, what can we as business storytellers learn from their presentation? How can we tell our story to be more impactful? Number one, plan the sequence. A good story has a beginning, middle, and end. If you put the end at the beginning or the middle at the end, the story will fail. Yet I see this on websites all the time. Number two, be clear. This is one of my biggest pet peeves. Just use simple, plain English. Confusion is the biggest failure of most website copy. Number three, use visuals to speak those 1,000 words. Just make sure your visuals enhance the story. Generic, boring images are just a confusing waste of space. And number four, make it emotional. Who will ever forget watching this story unfold? Of course, we don't want people to feel terror in our business story. We do want to evoke positive emotions like trust, relief, security, or feeling just plain glad they found you. This goes a long way in winning their business. There is a lot at stake when you tell your story, too. So don't go it alone. Call the boss lady because I'm hell bent on creatively guiding companies to win new business.